Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can keep your Pinterest account private. Keep watching the video till the end. To keep your Pinterest account private, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. The home page of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Click on human icon at the bottom right corner of the page. On the next page, click on your profile icon on the top left side of the screen. You will end up on your profile section of Pinterest account. Tap on little gear icon and click on profile visibility. Slide the slider of private profile to the right side to turn it on. This is how you can keep your Pinterest account private quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.